scholarship is sponsored to engineering, MBBS, B Pharma, Diploma and the students of class 10 who are preparing for NEET and JEE. To know more details about this scholarship, keep watching the video till the end. Aspiring scholars, today we are going to explore incredible scholarship opportunity that is Seema Khatib Scholarship provided by Medley Lab. If you are pursuing your education in the field like engineering, MBBS, B Pharma, Diploma or you are preparing for JEE, NEET, then this scholarship opportunity could be your game changer in your educational journey. Here is what you need to know about the rewards. For the students of class 10 who are preparing for NEET, JEE, MHT, CET will receive or can receive a reward up to 50,000 towards the coaching class fees. Students pursuing their MBBS, B Pharma, Engineering or Diploma can receive a scholarship up to 10,000 per annum. And if you feel that this scholarship amount is not sufficient for you, if you still need more money, then you can get a interest-free loan facility also. To be eligible for this scholarship, you must meet the eligibility criteria as follows. Like, if you are pursuing class 10 and preparing for NEET, JEE, MHT, CET, then you must have secured minimum of 90% in your previous classes and you must be taking a coaching classes. If you are pursuing MBBS, B Pharma, Engineering or Diploma in Engineering, you must have secured minimum of 60%. And you should not have any ATKT that is allowed to keep term in previous semesters or annual in the university examinations. If you feel that this scholarship is not suitable for you, then you need not to worry. We have multiple active scholarships on a portal called the Global Scholarship, link in description box. Now let's discuss how to apply for the Seema Khatib Scholarship. Gather all the required documents including notarized photocopies of your academic results, current year fees receipt from your institute, parent or a guardian income or the salary proof, a photocopies of a ration card, recent electricity bill, maintenance bill, ID proof of your college or the institute where you are studying in. Ensure all these documents are certified and notarized. Now let's fill out the application. As this application is offline, the link for the application is given in the description box. Click the link and download the application and fill out all the details carefully. Attach all the documents which are mandatory as I've mentioned earlier, and then post it to the above mentioned address. A couple of important points to note. An incomplete form without a proper details will not be considered as an application. The trustee reserve has right to reject any of the applications without providing a reason. This scholarship program is a part of Medley Pharmaceutical Limited in collaboration with an NGO called as Sinkaj Foundation Trust. The Seema Khatib Scholarship is not just a financial aid, it's a commitment of nurturing the talent and supporting the education. If you meet the eligibility criteria and have a passionate to study in the chosen field, then don't miss this scholarship opportunity. Apply now and let this scholarship helps you to achieve your educational goals. Best of luck for your scholarship journey. Signing off, take care and don't forget to subscribe our channel.